Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Thursday, the 23rd of May. After a sharp increase at 1:30, the euro collapsed more than 160 pips against the US dollar, touching 128.32. The Federal Reserve Chairman Ben Bernanke protected the central bank's stimulus program by stating that premature tightening of monetary policy could carry a substantial risk of slowing or ending economic recovery. The British pound dropped to a two-week low at 150.17 against the US dollar after worse than expected UK retail sales indicating a weaker recovery. Look out today for the second estimate of GDP quarter on quarter, where expectations remain consistent at 0.3%. The cable remains under pressure and might be seen trading below its support at 150.12. Looking at equities, the US 500 fell from its new record at 1685 back to 1645. The index fell yesterday after the statements by the Fed chairman. Therefore, we may see the index continue its bearish trend and trade below 1640. Looking at commodities, gold has managed to climb up to $1414 per ounce before falling to $1355. The precious metal remains very volatile against the strong dollar, and we may see it edge even lower. WTI crude oil extended its losses and dropped from 96.18 to 93.30. The Energy Information Administration reported yesterday a drop by 0.3 million barrels in inventories, coming short, however, of the 0.4 expected. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 128.75 with a preference to enter into short positions at 128.75. The dollar-yen pivot points at 102.60 with a preference to enter into long positions at 102.60. The Aussie-dollar pivot points at 0.9705 with a preference to enter into short positions at 0.9705. The sterling-dollar pivot points at 151.10 with a preference to enter into short positions at 151.10. And the dollar-CAD pivot points at 103.15 with a preference to enter into long positions at 103.15. Looking at commodities and indices, the oil pivot points at 95 with a preference to enter into short positions at 95. The gold pivot points at 1382 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1382. The silver pivot points at 2205 with a preference to enter into long positions at 2205. The US 500 is at 1578 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1578. And the UK 100 is at 6802 with a preference to enter into short positions at 6802. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And watch out for these market movers. At 8 GMT in Europe, we have the flash manufacturing PMI forecast to increase by 47.1. At 8:30 GMT in the UK, we have the second estimate GDP quarter-on-quarter expected at 0.3%. And at 12:30 GMT in the US, we have the unemployment claims expected at 347,000. And our mover and shaker of the day is the US dollar, which slid against the Japanese yen after touching 103.72. The pair is currently trading just above 102 after the statements of Ben Bernanke yesterday helped push the dollar even lower. Thank you for tuning into our daily outlook. We look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. I'm Emma Andre from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager is waiting for you now.